Leet code 34. Find first and last position of element in sorted array. Given an array of nums sorted in non-decreasing order, find the starting and ending position of a given target value. If target is not found, return -1, -1. So this is another binary search. And it seems like there will be multiple of the target potentially. So we need to find a first. Find first. Okay. So we'll have a left, a right, nums dot length -1, and a result equal to result equals -1. Okay, and then just a binary search, a regular one this time. So let mid equal math dot floor left plus right divided by 2. If nums mid equals target, we're gonna have result equal to mid temporarily. And if there's multiple, since we're finding the first, we want to move the right side in, so we can keep going till it's the first target. Otherwise, nums of mid is less than target. Then we move left. Otherwise, right equals mid -1. And then we can just return a result. So if we never find a match, results -1. Copy and paste. And then we can change this to find last. Everything's going to be the same other than this one, where we moved the left side to find the last one. So we move in from the left of the array versus the right. Okay. And just double check, I think that's all we need. And then we can have start equal define first. And then we can check that as start equals -1. We can turn, as it said, -1 if it's never found. And then end is equal find the last. And we can return start end like so. Hopefully. Awesome. I wonder if we can just there's probably we could probably combine these first and last. Can we? Maybe not. Anyway, and we can do the same in Python. I like to do it like this in Python though. Define first, find first. Left, right, result equals 0. And nums -1, while left less than equal to right. mid equals left plus right for division. If nums of mid equals target, result equals mid. And then we can do right equal mid minus 1. Else if nums mid less than target, left equals mid plus 1, else right equals mid minus 1, and then define last, and we just change this to left plus. We need to return something though. Return result. Return result. And then start equals solution dot find first nums target. If start equals minus 1, return minus 1 minus 1. End equals solution dot find last nums target, return start end. And voila! 34. Find the first and last position of a target element in a sorted array.